Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating email sequence in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First of all, click on Send. After that, click on Sequence. Then on the right side, click on New Sequence. After that, choose a template for your sequence. Then give sequence a name and subject and also customize the template. After that, click on Publish. Then click on Automate. After that, click on Visual Automations. Then on the right side, click on New Automation. After that, choose Template for Automation. Then fill the form and click on Add Event. After that, click on Plus button. Then click on Action. After that, click on Email Sequence. Then search for sequence you made and click on Add Action. Then click on Active to activate the visual automation. That's it, your email sequence is ready. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.